we've already read this book, Recycle. I'm going to leave it on the whiteboard so you can look at it today if you want to. It will also be at the library during Center's time. Today, I'm going to read you this book called Waste Not. What is waste? Manash? Okay.
Is it waste of water?
You waste water. That means that you, what are you doing if you are wasting water?
The water won't come. You can eat the water.
Yeah, that means you just turn the water on and let it go. You're not using it. You're just wasting it. You're like putting it in the trash, kind of. Say right?
If the water runs out, if you don't wash the dishes and you can't wash the dish, you will eat the dirt that you just ate.
Yeah, so that would be bad. If we didn't have enough water, then we'd have to do that. So listen to me as I read this story. Sit on your bottom, please. Waste not.
What waste nothing?
So that means don't waste. Don't waste water. Don't waste resources. Okay?
What resources? Don't waste
resources. We talked about resources when we talked about natural resources. Natural resources are things that are found in nature that we use to make other things. So, over and over. Don't throw that trash away. Did you know that paper, cans, and bottles can be recycled? When people recycle, they find a way to use something again. Did you know for every ton of paper that people recycle, they save 17 trees from being cut down to make new paper? So if we can recycle a lot of paper, we save trees from being cut down and turned into paper. Because the paper is already made, so let's just reuse that.
How many trees there are?
There's lots and lots of trees in this world.
Bigger than the biggest number, right?
Yeah, but there's a lot. I don't know exactly how many. Wait, you didn't raise your hand. Find it. If you want to recycle, look around your house or school. Newspaper and computer paper can be recycled.
What computer paper?
Computer paper is the white paper that like your Mad Minute worksheet is on and your spelling homework was on last night. That's computer paper. Cardboard boxes can be recycled too. Did you know that recycling can mean using something 2 times instead of 1? Recycle your drawing paper by using both sides. So if you draw a pretty picture, don't just go get another piece of paper, turn it over and draw another pretty picture on the back. That's one way that we can help reuse paper. Happy fun. You can recycle many other things. Glass bottles can be melted down and made into new glass. Cans and plastic can be recycled too. Did you know the average American makes more than 4 pounds of garbage a day? So that's a lot of garbage. Each person, okay. I can sort recyclables into 5 groups. So that's what we're going to do later. We're going to sort recyclable material into 5 different groups. We're also going to be able to describe recyclables. I can describe recyclables as a blank is blank. You're going to tell the people in your group, like, a bottle is glass, or a box is cardboard. So that's what you're going to tell your friends after we talk about what the materials are. For math, I can graph data onto a bar graph. So we're going to do another bar graph today, just like we did last week. We're going to do one with our material that we have in our bag. And I can interpret my graph to the class. When we're all done, your group is going to stand up here, and you're going to tell us all, you're going to hold your graph, and you're going to tell us all how much of each material you had in your bag. Okay? Probably. I know. What is this? Raise your hand if you can tell me what kind of material this is. Giovanni.
Paper.
Paper. Okay. Where do you think I got this paper?
Paper.
Giovanni.
From the trees.
It came from the trees, yeah. Where do you think, Rania, where do you think this paper came from?
This
recycle this paper? Okay, Ibrahim.
From the mail.
From the mail. Okay, in the mail, sometimes we get lots and lots of paper just like this. Or the newspaper, we'll get lots and lots of paper just like this. And it has ads. It has stuff that they want us to buy.
Where's that recycle?
Okay? It doesn't say recycle anywhere on it. That's tricky. You just have to know that this is paper, so I can recycle it. Okay? This is paper. The paper that you write on in school is paper. The paper that you do your math on is paper. There's lots of different kinds of paper. This is one of them. This is paper, colored paper. You can recycle any kind of paper. Okay, this is paper. I'm going to draw a quick picture of this.
Paper.
Here's a picture of the paper that I have. It says, "Buy me." And it has a picture of, let's say, a car.
Sandwich. No, sandwich, not car. Yes, I see a sandwich.
Yeah, there's a sandwich on it, but
I see sandwich.
the mail sends us paper with things that they want us to buy. That's a car. Okay, what does the paper feel like? What does it look like? Manoj? Ibrahim, put that on top of the desk. It's soft. Okay? Giovanni, what did Manoj just say about the paper? He said it's soft. Okay? It feels soft. It's not hard. Okay? What can I do to the paper? Sadiq? You can rip the paper.
Why?
You can rip it. What else can I do? Mira? Crumble the paper. Crumble it. Anything else we can do with the paper? Oh, you're just doing.
You do that and leave it and drag it.
No. You can crumble it, you can throw it. Good. Let me have it. One more there.
You can make it to smaller pieces.
Yeah, you can make it smaller. You can crumple it into a small ball. You can make it smaller.
And you can throw into a ball.
Okay? Now, what does this word say? Manoj. Okay, what does this word say? One more time? One more time, Giovanni? What does it say? Plastic. Okay? Who knows what plastic is? Okay, Sabi, will you come up here and point to the plastic material? Which one of these is plastic? This one, good. This is... Okay, now that we've made our charts, these are the materials that we're going to be working with. Let's read over them again. Paper, plastic, glass, cardboard, aluminum. Okay, I didn't have everybody participating, so we're going to do it again. Paper, plastic, glass, cardboard, aluminum. Paper is soft. You can rip it, you can crumble it, and you can make it smaller. Plastic, you can crumble it, you can see through it, and it's clear, and it's hard to break. Stop. Put your knees underneath your desk. Glass. It is breakable. If you drop it, it will break. And it's clear, and it's see-through. A lot of it is. Not all of it, but a lot of it. Cardboard. It's brown. Usually, it can be other colors. You can bend it, and you can rip it. Aluminum. It's silver. You can crumble it. It's not easily breakable if you drop it, and it's hard. Okay? So this is the chart we're going to be using. I need to put you in... If you have an orange label...
I have
right to your seat and please sit on your bottom. If you have an orange label, please write the word paper. Okay? If you have an orange, you can reach in the desk, you can grab a pencil. Okay? Write the word paper. P-A-P-E-R on the orange label. The orange label, baby? P-A-P-E-R. Paper.
I did it.
Alright, if you have the blue label, please write the word plastic. Please write the word plastic on the blue piece of paper. That is Zainab to use her pencil, or Sabit to use his pencil.
I have two.
If you have the yellow paper, please write the word glass. I'm going to write it in green because I don't have a yellow marker. If you have the yellow paper, write the word glass. Yes. I know. I'm going to give each group a bag of things that could be thrown away. I could just throw this in the trash and it could go to the dump. But we're going to see if we can recycle it. Okay? If it is paper, plastic, glass, cardboard, or aluminum, we can recycle it. Okay. Right?
Yeah.
Okay? Is it good to recycle?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, really?
Cardboard.
Okay.
No. Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to give each group a bag with trash in it, and you need to look through the bag and sort the material into these 5 categories. Everybody has 5 categories on their desk. They have paper, plastic, glass, cardboard, and aluminum. Okay? So, what you need to do is take turns going around in a circle, pulling things out of the bag, and putting it in one of the areas for which category it is. If I had this bag and it was my turn to pull something out, and I pulled this, is this glass?
No.
Is it cardboard?
No.
Is it aluminum?
No.
Is it plastic?
No.
Is it paper?
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I was in this group, I would say, the paper goes, where's your paper? It goes on your desk. It's not cardboard, it's not plastic, it's not aluminum, it's not glass, it's paper. So I put it right here by the paper.
Yeah.
Okay, then it would be the next person's turn to pull out one thing and put it where it belongs. Okay? The first person in each group is going to be the person right here. So Giovanni, Galia, Jose Luis, and Eunice. You're the first person to go in each group. Then it's going to go this way. So the second person is Rania, the second person is Ibrahim, the second person is Manaj, the second person is Zainab. Okay, the third person, Susmita, Mira, Sayre, and Sabit. And then it goes back to the first person. Well, and then it goes to Salina, Abisek, Abdullah, and then your group will go back to you, or to Eunice, okay? Does everybody understand?
Yes.
How many things do you pull out from the trash can? One. Okay? So there's no need to fight over anything. If you're not doing this the right way, I'm going to pull you from your group and you're going to sit on the rug with a recycling book and just read instead of do this with us. Okay? Don't start until I tell you to start. Don't start. No, don't start until I Rania, what are you doing? Who is first? Rania, who is first? Who is second? Yes.
What is that? That's $1.99. It's garbage. $4.99.
Move your legs away from each other. No, you reach your hand in and pull something out.
Okay, Eunice, what is that?
Trash. No, it's paper.
Paper?
Yeah.
So find the paper.
Here. Paper here.
Here?
Your turn.
Huh?
Did you get it from the trash?
All of this is stuff that I had in my house. What is that, Abisek? What is it?
Plastic. It smells good and stink in here.
Is that glass? Glass? What is it?
Pineapple.
Can you point to the word? Can you point to the word? Yeah, cardboard. Cardboard.
Pineapple in there. Pineapple in there.
This is not plastic. What is it? Look at the board. It's getting way too loud in here.
It smells like soda. Plastic.
Go up to the board.
It smells good.
Tuck your chairs in. Excuse us, tuck your chairs in. Okay,
Where did you get this?
hold this. Is it soft? No. Can you rip it? No. Is it plastic? Is it see-through? No. Is it glass? It's glass? You can drop it. Will it break if you drop it? Did it break? No. So is it glass? No, it's not glass. Right? Not glass.
This one.
Is it cardboard? Is it brown? Can you bend it? Is it aluminum? Is it silver color? Can you crumble it? Is it easily breakable? If it drops, will it break? Is it hard? Okay, so it's, Rania, say aluminum. What desk you have? Plastic. Is this plastic?
Yes. And this too.
This is plastic? These are the same material? No. What is this one?
You have to read.
It's not plastic. Go to your seats. What does it start with? What letter? A. Aluminum.
You're going to write 0 right next to the line right here. Okay, 0 right next to the line right here. Then you're going to go up. Right next to this line, you're going to write 1. Then go up. Right next to this line, you're going to write 2. Then you're going to go up. Right next to this line, you're going to write 3.
Finish all of it, all to
Then go up.
all to
Right next to this line, you're going to write 4. Then go up
Up to 9. 8.
and write 5, 6, 7, and up here by the very top, you're going to write 8.
Here, 3.
You have plastics, Ari?
Yeah.
Tell your group how many plastics you have.
Up to 3. I have 2 and this is 1.
You have how many?
3.
1, 2. What about this? What's this? This is paper? Paper's not see-through. Is this see-through?
Yeah.
Is this plastic or paper?
Plastic.
Yeah, that's plastic too. How many plastics do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What? Say, tell your group, say we have 4 plastics.
We have 4 plastic. Okay.
Who has plastic over here?
No. P.
Okay, how many plastics do you have?
I think plastics.
Did you tell your group that?
Yeah.
What plastics do you have? Point to them. 2. Right here, maybe? What's this? What's this, guys? This is paper?
Plastic.
Is paper see-through?
That's plastic.
On paper?
Plastic.
Yeah, that's plastic, right? So not all plastic looks the same. Not all plastic looks like a bottle. So how many plastics do you have?
4 plastic.
Say, we have 4 plastics. What is this?
Glass.
Good. What do you have?
We have 1 plastic.
1 plastic or 1 glass?
1 glass. 1 glass.
How many do you have, Sari?
We have 1 glass.
1 glass. Sari. 1 glass?
1 glass.
Or 2 or 3 or 4 glasses? Okay?
1 glass.
1 glass. Perfect.
I win. No, I didn't need 1 glass. Look, the particular.
How many do you have?
4.
Okay, so say we have 4 cardboards.
We have 4 cardboard.
Okay, so now you guys need to, did I say to put stickers on here? So you guys need to make your graph have 4 cardboards. Who has cardboard over here? How many do you have, Zainab? How many cardboards do you have? How many? How many cardboards? 1, 1, 2. Good. So tell your group, say we have 2 cardboards. Good. Say we have 2. Wow, good job. High five. You have Dahlia, how many pieces of aluminum do you have? Oh, you're not aluminum. Who's aluminum?
2.
Abdullah. How many pieces of aluminum do you have? 1, 2. Good. Say we have 2 aluminums. Aluminum. Aluminum. Perfect. Good job. Eunice, can you help Zainab with your chart? Okay.
We don't write anything over here.
Tell her in Arabic what she needs to do.
Arabic? I'm sorry, Mr. Dora. I saw it.
So look, Zainab. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plastics. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So draw the line right here. One thing that you can put in the recycling bin. Oh, Sayri, or Eunice. Sayri, what's one thing that we can put in the recycling bin?
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Sabi, what's one other thing that we can put in the recycling bin? Paper. Abisek, what's another thing we can put in the recycling bin? A what?
There's cardboard.
Aluminum?
Yeah.
Say aluminum. If you don't want to say aluminum, you can say a Coke can or a soda can.
Soda can.
Okay? Manaj, what's one thing that we can put in the recycling bin?
Glass.
Glass. Good. Glass.
Bye.
Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna call on you and you're gonna come and you're gonna pick one thing from one of the bags and put it in the recycling. Okay? So, Abdullah, or let's do Manaj. Pick one thing from one of the bags.
Glass.
Pick it, hurry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you miss your turn, you don't get to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Throw it in there.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. And then go line up behind Giovanni. Ibrahim. 5, 4, 3. What's that, Ibrahim? What is that?
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Try again. That's okay. Manaj, what did you throw in the bag, in the bin? Plastic. Good. Okay, Abdullah, pick one thing. What is this?
Plastic.
Plastic. Good. Okay. Susmita. If you're done, you need to be standing in line. What is that?
Cardboard.
Cardboard. Good. Good. What is that? Oh, what did I say about the lids though? What do you have to do to the lids if you... Excuse me.
Open.
What if you have a water bottle with a lid on it? What do you have to do to the water bottle? To the lid. So take that cap off. No, the cap can't be recycled.
You have to be in the trash can.
So the cap goes in the trash can. The cap goes in the trash can. Good. And the bottle goes in the recycling. What is that? What was that material? Plastic. Good. Okay, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is that, Galia?
Plastic.
Plastic. Good.